Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Aaj hum mashki dal ko, different methods se ready karte hun. 1 cup split white urad dal washed. 3 cups water. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. For dalmi boil an aik, bad cover kardane. Aik barton lane arus main aik cup, pani shamil karain arus main, aik chamsh zira, aik chamsh kushak danya 6 7 sabat, lal mirk aik chamsh kali mirk shamil karain. Payaz 2. Lasan 10 say 12 jawe. Adrak 4 say 5-inch k piece, sabs mirch 5, fur cover kar dayan. Or 5 minutes boil anay dayan. Boil anay kabad aik grinder me tamam masala add karain aik cup. Dahe shamil karain grind karlane. Dal bigal chuki haabas me half cup oil grind. Kia hua masala add kar. Dine dani or adrak kat kar dalayan dal, ready ha. Sabzdania or kata hua. Adrak dal kar paish karain.